In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate QR code for your location on Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So basically, if you look into the maps, we do not have the official way to do or generate the QR code. So what we need to do is we have to use a third-party source. So you have to make sure to check whether that is reliable or not. So I'm going to show you one of the reliable website or a trusted source. So make sure to watch this video right till the end. So let's just go ahead and start on. First thing first, open your map onto your device. So now that you've opened up your map, this is how the interface is going to look like. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and just pin out the particular location for which you want to make sure to generate the QR code. Now that you've done this, right? So you can see this drop-down menu. Simply select Share. Once you've tapped onto the share button, you could find different options. Simply copy the link. Once you've copied the link, exit out of this app. Open up your browser. You could go with any browser that you have on your device. Tap onto the search bar. Type in QR code monkey. So this is the one. Tap onto it. There is a link. Simply tap onto the very first link that's on the phone or on your device. Now you could see or read the interface as well. And in order to generate a QR code, you have this enter the website, right? Since we have already copied the link, just tap onto it. You could go to your clipboard and paste in the link. So now you could either go ahead and take a screenshot. That is the easy way. Next, you also have this download QR code. You could simply tap onto it, find one of these options like either download with Google or download with email. So if you tap onto these options, then you need to sign in. So you could simply go ahead and continue with your login details. And that is how you'll be able to generate the QR code for your location on Google Maps. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.